Good day, and welcome to your daily AI news update for Thursday, 9th October 2025. So, today we're diving into Starburst's new Enterprise AI Blueprint, Innodata's Elite Generative AI Forum, and the groundbreaking AI Biology Symposium Advancing Medical Research. Well, across the globe, the focus is firmly on transforming AI ambition into tangible, trustworthy results. Now, in New York, Starburst hosted its AI and Data Nova 2025 Summit, unveiling a comprehensive framework designed to bridge the critical gap between AI aspirations and execution in large organizations. With 68% of enterprise AI initiatives reportedly stalled by data readiness challenges, Starburst's vision centers on robust data infrastructure, granular governance, and zero-trust security. Their concept of enterprise agents, autonomous AI systems for complex workflows, is underpinned by federated query architecture, enabling real-time data access without centralization. And actually, as CEO Justin Borgman highlighted, high-quality, governed, and accessible data will be the deciding factor in AI success over the next 3 to 5 years, a sentiment particularly pertinent with the EU AI Act's enforcement phase looming. Right. Meanwhile, in San Francisco, Innodata convened its exclusive Generative AI Leadership Forum, bringing together 150 C-suite executives to tackle the pervasive pilot Purgatory affecting 82% of organizations. So this invitation-only event prioritized candid peer-to-peer discussions on practical implementation challenges. And Innodata showcased its proprietary data curation frameworks, crucial for training domain-specific large language models and significantly reducing hallucinations in regulated sectors. Mind you, CEO Jack Abuhoff underscored the urgency, stating that enterprises must move beyond experimentation to operationalize trustworthy systems that deliver measurable ROI. Basically, the forum reinforced that high-fidelity training data, especially for industry-specific terminology, is often more critical than model architecture for real-world deployment success, aligning with the industry's shift towards data-centric AI development. Now, shifting to the cutting edge of scientific discovery, the International Society for Stem Cell Research, or ISSSR, kicked off its landmark AI and Digital Biology Symposium in Seattle. This gathering united computational biologists and data scientists to accelerate biomedical breakthroughs, particularly in de novo protein design and single-cell multi-omics analysis. So, with quantum computing now enabling previously impossible biological simulations, AI is compressing years of research into months. And actually, transformer-based models are achieving remarkable 98.7% accuracy in protein folding predictions for specific therapeutic classes, surpassing previous benchmarks. Well, Dr. Amanda Clark, ISSSR president, emphasized moving beyond AI as an analytical tool to AI as an active design partner, citing examples where AI-driven perturbation prediction models reduced clinical trial failure rates by 1/3 in oncology, promising enhanced research efficiency and personalized treatments. Right, from AIC's view, a clear theme emerges. Data is the bedrock of all successful AI initiatives, whether in enterprise operations, generative AI deployment, or groundbreaking scientific research. And, Starburst's blueprint correctly identifies that without verifiable data lineage and real-time access, even the most sophisticated models will deliver unreliable outcomes, urging organizations to prioritize data governance foundations before pursuing autonomous systems. Mind you, while Innodata's exclusive forum fosters valuable peer exchange, we believe true progress in generative AI requires standardized data quality metrics and shared benchmarks that kind of transcend individual vendor ecosystems, demanding greater transparency from solution providers about data provenance. Anyway, finally, the biomedical AI revolution, as highlighted by the ISSSR Symposium, will only succeed through sustained cross-disciplinary collaboration and a strong ethical compass. At the end of the day, the real measure of success won't be model accuracy metrics, but lives improved through responsibly deployed AI-driven therapies, necessitating greater inclusion of ethics committees and patient advocates. So these developments underscore a maturing AI landscape where foundational data strategies, ethical considerations, and cross-disciplinary collaboration are paramount. I mean, we're witnessing AI evolve from a technological marvel to an indispensable yet complex partner across all sectors. Anyway, we look forward to catching up with you tomorrow for more insights into the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. This was brought to you by AICI, your expert AI consultants. Please hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with all the latest from the world of AI. See you tomorrow.